Hello and welcome back to the Road to Good Cooking, and today I have some downtime, so I decided to finish up my candle making project before I started getting busy with my garden project. So let me show you how I put my candles together, and I hope that you too are making some candles just in case you lose your power. You never know. The ordering links for all the candle supplies that I used in this video will be in the description box. Please use my Amazon affiliate links, and that helps support my channel. Thank you so much in advance. And when I burn my candles down, I don't throw away the old wax. I just melt it down and turn it into a new candle. And here I added some of the soy wax, and I'm going to mix that all together, and this candle is going to have a beautiful purple color because the candle that I melted down was purple, and it's absolutely gorgeous. And one thing I like about that soy wax, on the back of the package, it gives you the melting directions and the temperature that the wax needs to be before you pour it in the containers. And it gives you different methods and how to melt it down. And once it gets to a temperature of 160 degrees, it'll be ready to pour. And it looks like I have a few more degrees to go here, but it should be ready in just a few seconds. This little thermometer is a really nifty thing to have, and it tells you the temperature that the wax is, and then you're good to go. While I'm waiting for my wax to continue heating, I'm going to prepare my jars with the wicks. Now the wicks that I ordered, they came in 3 different sizes, and they are for making soy candles. I poured the wax into the little containers very slowly and carefully because I don't want to burn myself with that hot wax. And it's real easy to set the wicks up in the jars, and then the wicks come with those popsicle sticks which have the little holes in it. So you just stick the wick through the holes and set it on there just like you see here in the picture, and it just does its own thing. And then you're done. Leave them alone, let them rest, let them set up, and then the next day you have beautiful, beautiful candles. Okay, when I'm not cooking and canning or gardening, I'm making candles. And everybody that knows and loves me know that I love to burn candles, so I always get candles. And like that one right there and right there, those were gifts from my neighbors. And that one over there is a gift from my neighbor. So after I burned the candle, I just filled it up with soy wax, and I almost duplicated the fragrance of that candle with the essential oil that I got for it. But it smells really good. And that little guy, the one right here, those little guys burn 13 hours before they're out. And I got a whole bunch of them. Yeah, and I don't use this size jars when I'm canning. I put everything in pints and half pints. So these were a gift from my neighbors, one of my neighbors anyway. And I just use these to make my candles with. And it smells so good. It's not overpowering with smell. So when I get done with it, when I get done burning it, I put the lid on it like so, and it's good to go. And this is the fragrance that I use in these, dark amethyst, and it smells so, so nice. But there are my candles, and I just absolutely love them. They turned out so good. So as I get odd shaped jars, like that one right there had, I think it had roasted, what did it have in there? Oh, peppers, some kind of peppers. So I fill that up. That jar back there was something, and the rest of them were just, empty candle holders, like that one right there. So yeah. So I'm ready for the zombie apocalypse in case we lose our power. And as I get an empty jar of something that I'm not using, I'm just going to fill it up with candle wax and just keep on making my candles. This is just half of them. I got the other half back there in the storeroom / grow room. So I'm going to be set. And I figured I'm going to make a couple of extras because I know that there are people around here that aren't doing what I'm doing, and they're not preparing for anything, and I know somebody's going to need some candles. So I'm just going to burn a bunch of them. I'm just going to make a bunch of them, and if I need to give some, I will. No big deal. It's all about sharing, right? Okay, now I'm hungry. Gotta go eat. Okay, this is what I've been waiting for. It is time to eat, and today I made some more chicken wings and some zucchini, some green and yellow zucchini, and I sauteed it in olive oil, lots of onions and lots of garlic. And I also had a taste for something savory, so I made some savory spinach and caramelized onion kolaches, and they were super delicious. And I also made some Korean barbecue sauce. And once you start making your own Korean barbecue sauce, you will not want to buy that store-bought stuff again ever. And it is so good as a dipping sauce. And I use that stuff on everything. And here I am watching my favorite Transformer movie. Yes, I love Transformers. I have all the movies. This one I have to order because it just came out and I absolutely love it. And my next car is going to be named Optimus Prime. And here's a close-up of that kolache, spinach and caramelized onions, and I topped it with Parmesan cheese. And I made some blueberry kolaches, some pineapple kolaches with the pineapple that I canned a couple of weeks ago. And I made some cream cheese kolaches, and those have got to be by far my absolute favorite. And when I had these in the oven, they had my whole house smelling so good. I ended up sharing most of them with my neighbors. I think I kept about 2 or 3 of them for myself. And then the next day I made another pan of them, and this time I kept more for myself and put the rest in the freezer, and they freeze beautifully and they also warm up beautifully. Just take them out, pop them in the microwave for a few seconds, and they are as good as the day that I made them. Trust me on that one. But and for you people, for you guys, that the 20% of you guys that voted that you wanted to see more baking videos, I have this in my schedule, and I will be doing that. I don't know when, probably for the next couple of weeks or so. And the next video coming out was supposed to be a sausage making video. And there were 2 things that I forgot to order, so I had to get those on order, and they should be here within the next couple of days. And if you are new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by and spending a few minutes of your time with me. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. That way you'll be notified each and every time I upload a new video. And I hope you guys are staying safe, and those of you that are living in those cities where you are getting hammered by snow, I pray that you have lots of warm clothes and all the stuff prepped that you needed in case you're closed and shut in. And you know what, we've been rehearsing for this, guys. So we should be prepared. So anyway, thanks for stopping by. Be blessed, keep on cooking, stay warm, and have a good day.